Hey guys, welcome to my channel Rudra for Knowledge. In this channel, I will tell something not much about some chapters related for the study of the students till standard 10th. So please like and subscribe my channel and share it, and don't forget to comment below that how you feel this lesson, or um, anything more about that. I shouldn't tell about more about this because I am also a student and of standard 10th, and I am not a professional or a teacher. So guys, uh, I can't tell much tell how you feel in this period of lockdown. So let's start our chapter. चलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग एक नए चैप्टर की शुरुआत करेंगे। पहले थोड़ा हेडिंग दे देते हैं। सबसे पहले हम करते क्यों है, क्योंकि भगवान, चाहे कोई कोई विश्वास करते हैं, कोई विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, मैं विश्वास करता हूँ। भगवान ये वर्ड है, और ये जो वर्ड ओम है, ये वर्ड ओम ये बहुत इम्पैक्ट लाता है हमारे अंदर में। एज इफ वी टेल मोर, इफ यू स्पीक ओम till 3 times, we will feel relaxed, or in the period of yoga at last they also tell 3 times ohms. That's why it's not matter. Whenever I start studying or I do anything, first of all I write anything in the first of all I write in the beginning of the up of the page, I write Om. So today's chapter is trigonometry. It's a very important chapter for standard 9th ICSE or standard 10th CBSE. So first of all, we'll know what is this term trigonometry. It's derived from a Greek word known as trigonon and metron. This trigonon means that triangles, and this metron means that measures. This is triangles and this is measures. And this is measures. So for it's an important chapter. It's a very very important chapter. This chapter is very very important. So let's begin. Let's begin our chapter trigonometry. First of all, this common symbol used in this is known as theta. What this theta means? This theta means that the angle between, and so this is an acute angle, name it as O A B. This is the theta. So, this chapter, trigonometry chapter, has many terms, many much terms, which we should follow in the upcoming chapter. We can tell is that terms or ratios. Better it should have ratios because in our books it's written as ratios, not as terms. So, trigonometry. No, three ratios. Sorry, it's just spelling wrong with me. Ratios. I will right. भाई लोग मैं कभी अपना डिसीजन सही नहीं लेता, सबका लेता हूँ मगर हमेशा अलग हो जाता है। वो कभी का सही हो जाता है, कभी गलत हो जाता है। मैं हमेशा बैलेंस करके चलता रहता हूँ। सो लेट्स सम this is trigonometry. So first is sine function. Sine function. It's a triangle. Let's name it A, it's B, and it's C. It's a right angle triangle and it's a theta. So it's known as perpendicular, it's known as base, and it's known as hypotenuse. So first is sine function, second is cosine function. Third is tangent. Fourth is cosecant, second function. Fifth is cotangent function. Sixth is cosecant function. It's known as, its other name will known as sine. This is cos. This is tan. This is sec. This is cot. This is cosec. So let's write the functions of these ratios in this triangle. It's the very basics. It's the basics of this chapter. We should know all these things. So first is sec. Sec. Sorry, sine. Sorry. First is sine. Sine theta. What does sine theta means? Sine theta means it's perpendicular upon or by hypotenuse, or else we can write it as P by H. Second is cos theta. Theta is essential. Theta is the measure or the angle between them. So cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, which is equals to B by H. Third is tan theta. Sorry, it's tan theta. Tan theta equals to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base, which is equals to P by B. So guys, इसमें एक इंटरेस्टिंग मोड आता है. ये जो tan थीटा है, this tan theta is equals to, it can be sec theta, sorry, it's sin theta, is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Understood? Means sin theta equals to P by H, cos theta equals to B by H. If we divide it, this and this will be cancelled. This hypotenuse will be cancelled, and remaining will be P by B. So it's sin theta by cos theta. And the fourth one is sec theta. Sec theta. And now this sec theta equals to hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse upon base. Friends, this is our basics. I told earlier also, these are basics. We should know this. Base, which is equals to H by B. And I'm writing here. And well, this fifth one is cot theta. These are this will come reciprocals, or twist will come. I'll tell you later. It's become means it's become essential, or it's become something twisted. But we'll see that. So cot theta equals to 1 by 10, means base upon perpendicular, which is equals to B by P. Sixth one, cosec theta. It's equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular, which equals to H by P. So understand this. It's clear that sin theta equals to P by H, cos theta equals to B by H, tan theta equals to P by B, sec theta equals to H by B, and cot theta equals to base by perpendicular, and cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. If we know these two are important. If we know all the values or the functions or the ratios of these two, then we'll automatically complete out all this. So I'm erasing it. And after this I'll tell that it's what's the twist between this after this ratios or in the ratios. So wait 1 minute. So it's a triangle, right angle triangle. It's A, B, C. It's perpendicular, it's base, it's hypotenuse, and it's theta. So we know sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse, it's equals to base by hypotenuse, tan theta equals to perpendicular by base, excuse me, perpendicular by base, cot theta equals to base by perpendicular, sec theta equals to hypotenuse by base, and at last cosec theta equals to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Now these two ratios are important. These two ratios, as I told earlier, these two ratios are important. If you know this value of these two, it will be easier to find the value of all this. Let's see how. This including this also. Let's see how. Tan theta. Tan theta equals to P by B. We know P by B, which is equals to sin theta by cos theta. This I told earlier, but I am revising it. This is tan theta. I told if we know the value of these two, we would find all these terms. As we know the value of sin theta and the cos theta. If we divide it, sin theta equals to P by H divided by cos theta equals to B by H. which ultimately known as P by H into H by B, which will result as P by B. So, see, here is twist. Tan theta. Yes, we should remember this term. Yes, we should remember this term, or else we will remember this term. It doesn't matter that you remember this term or this term. If you remember this term, automatically this term will come. Understood? Then sec theta. Sec theta. Sec theta equals to H by B, which is equals to H by B. H by B, which is equals to 1 by 1 upon or 1 by cos theta. Cos theta. So this sec theta. Sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. It's also a twist. See, the value of cos theta equals to B by H. If we rotate, if we give this reciprocal, then it will automatically come as hypotenuse by base. So, this we know, remember, sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. And then, see, I told that this term, if we remember this term or this term, it will be osmosis. We can remember anything, this term or this term. If you remember that H by B is sec theta, it automatically it will come. So next is cot theta. Let's say cot theta. Cot theta equals to B by P. B by P. Which is equals to 1 by tan theta. Right? Tan theta. Or it can be cos theta by sin theta. It's not very much essential, but this is essential. Not this much. This is very essential. Important also. And see, we know the value of this, or we know the value of these two. We got this. It's reciprocal of this. If tan theta equals to P by B, if we do reciprocal of that, it will come B by P, which is equals to cot theta. Then it's take let's take what only cosec theta is there. So cosec theta equals to H by P. So cosec theta equals to H by P, which is also known as 1 by sin theta. See how the results are coming. We know, if we have to remember the value of these two. These two are very important ratios in this chapter trigonometry. These two are very important ratios in this chapter trigonometry. So we know the value of sin theta equals to P by H. If we do the reciprocal of that, it will come H by P. So from this we remember the values of this. Sin theta equals to P by H, cos theta equals to B by H, tan theta equals to P by B, cot equals to B by P, sec equals to H by B, and cosec equals to H by P. So I am rubbing it now. Okay, 1 minute. Now we'll study. Now we'll study little bit about. Now we'll read about the values of various trigonometry ratios. We'll read about the values of the trigonometry ratios. We'll read about the values of trigonometry ratios. What will read about? The values of trigonometry ratios. So, we have to make a table for that. So, we should make a table. Like this is theta, or angle. This is 0 degree. This is 30 degree. This is 45 degree. This is 60 degree. And last one is 90 degree. Last one is 90 degree. Reading. So line, it's also a line, it's also a line, it's also a line, table, all this. So first is sine. Sine. Sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree is 1. Cos 0 degree is 1. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. Friends, my handwriting. For this handwriting, I got many scoldings from my teachers, my parents, and my elders, and all my elders, etc. But ना ये बदला ना हम बदले, हम भी चलते जा रहे, ये भी चलते जा रहा, देखते कहाँ तक पहुँचते. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree is 0. Yes, all these are correct. Now tan 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 theta equals to sin theta by cos theta, means 0 by 1, which obviously equals to 0. Then sin theta by cos theta, this this 2 1 1 by 1 upon 2 divided by 3 root 3 upon 2, which will give us 1 upon root 3. Yes, it's correct. It's 1 upon root 3. Sin theta by cos theta means this divided by this, which always give 1. We cancel each other. Sin theta by cos theta for 60 degree in tan theta, which equals to root 3. And this 1 by 0, which is also known as not defined. Not defined. Yes, we can't define this. This 1 upon 0, it's not definable, or we can't define it. So now come sec theta. Sec. So sec function equals to sec, this term sec, this term sec equals to 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta, so which equals to 1. फ्रेंड्स मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग जब ये सेक थीटा, ये लास्ट थ्री जो फंक्शंस है और जो लास्ट 3 रेशियोज है, उसको याद रखने के लिए सबसे अच्छा टेक्निक है हम लोग h बाई पी या h बाई बी या b बाई पी, वो सब कुछ ज़्यादा ध्यान मत दो, वो बेसिक्स है, उसको थोड़ा हल्का से मतलब माइंड मैपिंग कर दो। फिर उसके बाद उसमें इसको ये क्या करो, पुट कर दो, जैसे कि cos थीटा sec थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय cos थीटा means this sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, which is 1. This is sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, which is equals to 2 by root 3, and this equals to root 2, and this equals to root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2, and now this cos sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. So 1 upon 0, it's not defined. Now another term ratio is cot theta, cot function. Cot function. So cot theta, we know cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta. Cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta, which equals to this. Cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta is 0, so it's also defined. And cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta, which equals to this. If we enter this will be root 3. Sorry, it's only root 3. Array, root 3. And this 1 upon tan theta. This one always 1 upon tan theta, 1 upon root 3. And now here is a twist, 1 upon not defined. This 1 upon not defined is always equals to 0. Yes, it's always equals to 0. It's always equals to 0. 1 upon not defined is always equals to 0. Now cosec function. cosec function. This cosec function, we know cosec function equals to cosec equals to 1 upon sin theta. Yes or no? Yes. Obviously yes. This cosec equals to 1 upon sin theta, which equals to 1 upon sin theta. Means this is also not defined. Not defined. Then again cosec equals to 1 upon sin theta. Means 30 degree is equals to 2. And it's equals to root 2. Root 2. 2. And this equals to cosec 60 degree equals to 2 upon root 3. And as this was 90 degree, so it's always equals to 1. It's always equals to 1. Now we know, we will see that which values are similar in all cases. Now we will know which values are similar in all cases. See, sin 0 degree is what? 0. Sin 0 degree is 0. And this is sin 0 degree is equal to tan 0 degree, which is also 0. This sin 0 degree is 0, which is equal to sin tan 0 degree is also 0. This sin 0 degree is equal to tan 0 degree. And this sin 30 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 30 degree equals to 1 upon root 2. 1 upon 2. Sin 30 degree equals to 1 upon 2. And see, cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree, these two are same. Let me write 1 minute. Right, this sin 0 degree is equals to tan 0 degree. Sin 30 degree is equals to cos 60 degree. And this and sin 45 degree is equal to cos 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is equal to cos 45 degree. And sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree equals to cos 30 degree. Sin 60 degree equals to cos 30 degree. This we don't need to write, just for mind recap. This sin 0 degree equals to tan 0 degree, sin 30 degree is equal to cos 60 degree, and again cos 60 degree equals to sin 30 degree. Obviously cos 60 degree equals to sin 30 degree, or sin 60 degree is equals to sin 60 degree is equals to cos 30 degree. Sorry, my mistake there. Called cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree equals to sin 30 degree, and sin 60 degree equals to cos 30 degree. Sorry, it's a little bit important. Then now this cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree is equals to, wait, sin 90 degree, sin 90 degree equals to cos 0 degree. Now cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree equals to cos 30 degree equals to cot 60 degree, cot 60 degree. And anything else? No. Yes, cos 90 degree equals to tan 0 degree, cos 0 degree equals to sec 0 degree over, and this cos 0 degree is equals to tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree. Then come to next, tan, this tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree, what's it, tan 30 degree is equals to tan 30 degree is equals to cot 60 degree to cot 60 degree. Then tan, this tan 60 degree equals to cot 30 degree tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree equals to cot 30 degree, cot 30 degree. And tan 90 degree equals to cot 0 degree, tan 90 degree equals to cot 0 degree. Excuse me. Now this over, anything more? Is the question anymore? No. Now sec 0 degree. This sec 0 degree, sec 0 degree equals to sec 0 degree equals to cosec 90 degree, cosec 90 degree, or we can say sin 90 degree equals to cos 90 degree, cosec 90 degree, or sin 0 degree is equals to cot 90 degree, or tan 0 degree is equals to cot 90 degree. I have written tan 0 degree, that is tan 0 degree, tan 90 degree equals to cos 0 degree, tan 90 degree is equals to cot 0 degree. Then now anything more? No. Yes, sec 30 degree, 30 degree equals to sec 30 degree equals to cosec 60 degree, cosec 60 degree over, again cot 0 degree equals to cosec 0 degree, sec cosec over this tan 90 degree equals to cot 0 degree, then tan 90 degree equals to cot is equals to cot 90 degree. Yes, it's also tan, tan 90 degree equals to sec 90 degree, 90 degree over, yes, done. This equals to this equals to this equals to this. Yes, all are parallelly arranged in this table. So, so for today, this much only. तो बस फिर आज के लिए इतना ही. मैं अभी अपना नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपना नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा, जिसमें होगा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के कुछ एग्जांपल्स एंड हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस एंड कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. और जैसे कुछ एग्जांपल सॉल्व करेंगे, कुछ एक्सरसाइज के सॉल्व करेंगे. सॉल्व करते करते धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ेंगे. सो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon whenever get notified when we upload a new video. So for this, stay safe and keep watching my channel Rudra for knowledge. Thank you very much.